Dan Osborne showed off his new Jeep after splashing out £100,000 on new car with his wife Jacqueline Jossa. The former Towie star recently treated himself to a Mercedes Urban G63 AMG 4x4. 5. Dan Osborne looked happy with his £100,000 Jeep as he showed his wife Jacqueline JossaCredit, Click News and Media. 5. Dan has owned a number of impressive cars over the years. Credit, Click News and Media. Earlier today the married couple were seen checking out the stunning blue vehicle. Dan, 30, looked happy with his recent purchase and opted for an outfit to match his new wheels. The reality star rocked a blue Adidas tracksuit jacket and matching bottoms. He completed the look with a black pattern t-shirt and Nike trainers. Jacqueline, 29, looked impressed with her husband's new purchase as she inspected it from the outside. A celebrity winner opted for a cream puffer jacket, blue jeans and a pair of Crocs for comfort. It comes just months after the pair bought a new £80,000 people carrier with flat-screen TV, fridges, Wi-Fi and mood lighting. The swish black Mercedes has room for their 2 children, plus Don's son Teddy, and is designed to keep everyone entertained. Jacq told her followers on Instagram, "This is filling me with so much joy. Look at them all, my little monkey moves. Now the car isn't moving obviously, they're just having fun, you know. This is the sickest thing. This is the best thing I have ever purchased." EastEnders stars Jacq and her ex-Towie husband Dan Osborne have a long history of owning fancy cars. In November last year Dan tried to flog his £100,000 Audi RSQ8 to his Instagram followers, just 9 months after buying it. In February 2021, the former Towie star revealed he had traded in his Audi R8 for the more family-friendly Audi Sport SUV. Before giving it to Audi, he told fans, "This is my favorite car, I love this R8 so much. But I need a family car. Jacq and the 3 kids and just a passenger seat just ain't enough. I'm joking. They don't really get in here. I just need a family car, I really do. Hopefully when I can afford both they'll have a nice supercar as well. It's a sad day for this car." Dan and Jacq started dating in 2013. The pair got engaged in 2015 and tied the knot 2 years later. They share 2 daughters, 3-year-old Mia and Ella, 7. Dan also has a son called Teddy, 8, from a previous relationship. 5. The couple inspected the car from the outside. Credit, Click News and Media. 5. Dan looked happier than ever as he drove away in the vehicle. Credit, Click News and Media. 5. Jacq had a look at their new car in a casual outfit. Credit, Click News and Media.